So finally L&T mass hiring and one more direct test hiring which is also a mass hiring. So in this video I will tell you about 2025, 24, 23 batch biggest mass hiring and one more update I want to give you about Goldman Sachs because the result is announced. I will show you the mail also and what is the next step and where you have to prepare. I will show you the website also. So please watch till and understand each and everything. If you are skipping L&T and Goldman Sachs update, so you are not gonna understand what will happen next. So please watch till and understand each and everything, then only you can apply. So first go and watch ABB Cognizant D-Show opportunity and apply for this hiring. But before applying, update your resume, understand each and everything criteria, then you can apply. Maybe 2 days left only because the application deadline 4 days ago and I posted 2 days ago, so maybe 2 days left. So please apply as soon as possible. Join Telegram channel, join WhatsApp channel, do subscribe our channel, do hit the bell icon button also to never miss an update. Let's understand biggest opportunities coming from practice by numbers QA intern, which is amazing opportunity because your package minimum package will be 5.5 to 7 LP. Gurugram on-site location is there and the skill which is needed is Java, Ops and tester design and Selenium for testing. And you can see the degree branches, all branches are eligible. BTech, ME, MTech and PCMC is eligible. 23-24 batch is eligible. You can book your slot now. So your internship duration will be 6 months and stipend range will be 20 to 35k per month. The internship stipend is structured as flows. तुम read कर लेना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, क्योंकि because it will increase your internship stipend after 1 month. Like first month you will get to see the 20,000 per month, then second month 25, then third and fourth month you will get to see the 35,000 and they will increase your amount. And in full time opportunity you get to see the 5.5 to 7 LPA per annum. And the tax structure is simple. If you are attending offline assessment which you will go to the on site to attend the offline assessment. So the test include a combination of coding round is there, multiple choice questions and pseudo code based question also, these basic things. क्योंकि ये जो MCQ वगैरह है थोड़ा सा एप्टी थोड़ा सा टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन होंगे, वो तुम अपने हिसाब से प्रिपेयर कर लेना. बट यू हैव टू book your slot as soon as possible. See, first note is slot once booked cannot be changed, so please apply carefully. Click on Noida, click on Delhi, दो लोकेशन दी गई है. Then date is 3 April, 4 April and 5 April. Click on 5 April and time slot is morning to evening, so you can select a middle one like 2 to 3 and book and click on book now. Like यहाँ पे देख सकते हो registration successful, your registration is confirmed, prepare well for the test. So when you register for this you will get to see the each and everything like 5th April 2-3 timing is your and your location will be Delhi. Location is also there and Google Map link is also there. You can track your location. And job preparation kit में यहाँ पे देख सकते हो each and every preparation details you get to see here and complete the detail required by practice by number of the offline assessment. Complete करना है इसको बहुत जल्दी. और this QR code you have to take and this is the entry pass me, so this QR code at the test center to check in. ठीक है, तो इसका एक फोटो कॉपी होना चाहिए तुम्हारे पास ब्लैक एंड वाइट, देन ओनली यू विल गेट इनटू द टेस्ट सेंटर. सो प्लीज इस तरीके से फिल करना है एंड यू कैन सी असेसमेंट टेस्ट इज देयर, देन यू कैन सी द multiple rounds. So please apply as soon as possible. The biggest mass hiring is coming from L&T which is hiring for MTech 2025 approach graduates. Register करने के लिए you have to click on this link. But first of all you have to understand that please note that application that do not fill the Microsoft form will not be considered. Means you have to fill this form as soon as possible. Registration and date will be 4th April 6 PM. So please apply as soon as possible. Electronic and computer science, IT, software engineering, all branches are eligible and 25 batches eligible. Full time opportunity is this and skill required is CAN, UDS. You can see testing knowledge is also required and management tool like project management tool like Jira, Codecraft, Code, Beamers. So ये तुम ऐड कर सकते हो, मैं पहले भी बता चुका हूँ तुम्हें इसके लिए. So please read rules and responsibilities and add domain from here also, like you can diagnostics and system validation also, test automation, EUC test framework भी कर सकते हो. You can also add ECU test framework, Python scripting also. Just click on this button, so you will redirect to form. Fill your personal details, scroll down, fill your educational details, computer science, because you have to also fill your undergraduate details also, but only postgraduate students are eligible, not UG. So please apply as soon as possible and click on yes willing to relocate to Mumbai because your location will be because your work location will be Mumbai, and click on next, fill all details carefully and apply as soon as possible. Only 2 days are left. फिर उसके बाद रजिस्ट्रेशन ऐड हो जाएगा, तो प्लीज़ अपडेट योर रेज्यूमे, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग ऐड करो अपने रेज्यूमे में, बिकॉज मैंडेटरी स्किल्स बहुत ज़रूरी ऐड करना रेज्यूमे में, प्लीज़ ऐड करो, फिर उसके बाद ही अप्लाई करना. So as you all know that Goldman Sachs hiring announced, and it also started. Many students got to see the aptitude test, and many are completed with the assessment. So you can see I already 5 days ago posted this that Goldman Sachs aptitude test mail, and I show you updated pattern also. You can check in description box. You will get to see the pattern, but in this video I will tell you each and everything about next step, what is first step and what is next, what will be you see in interview and coursework. So please be in this video. First check this mail that thank you for engineering analyst campus hiring program 2025 aptitude test. It means if you completed your aptitude test and you will receive this. It means if you completed your aptitude test and you received this mail, then you are selected for the next process, which will be coursework. And I don't think so that the coursework will be your elimination round. That is not a elimination round. So please watch till end. I will tell you each and everything. That as a next step we will have the opportunity to hear about Goldman Sachs for senior leadership to our pre-placement talk. So your pre-placement talk scheduled on Friday, April 4, 5 p.m. You have to attend, and this is mandatory to attend. If you are not attending this, so maybe you will not see the next step mail. So please attend this. This is mandatory. Detail for the pre-placement talk will be shared with the test shortlisted students closer to the date. Means if you are shortlisted, if you clear the aptitude test, then you will receive this mail, and after this mail you will get to see the pre-placement talk detail mail. और वैसे भी जैसे आएगा I will upload pre-placement talk detail mail also. So please subscribe our channel. So first you have to understand that aptitude test is completed and it contains 75 questions, and these are topic I already see. Then leave coursework because maybe that is very easy task. After coursework you will get to see the technical test. I will show you that aptitude test is completed, coursework will be your next process and step, and then technical test is there, then interview, then offer rollout. So prepare round 2 technical test, means round 3 technical test. From here read each and everything, each section you have to prepare very carefully, then you have to scroll down, and here you will get to see the interview. This is an interview experience posted in Medium, so please prepare from here, read each and everything. तो यहाँ पे सब कुछ दिया गया है, तो हमें कैसे करना है. प्लीज रीड राउंड 1, इंटरव्यू राउंड 1, मे बी देयर इज 2 राउंड और 1 राउंड, डिपेंड ऑन कंपनी. सो प्लीज बी प्रिपेयर फॉर 2 राउंड्स. प्रिपेयर फ्रॉम हियर ओनली. यू हैव टू सॉल्व द कोड इन नोटपैड और कोडर पैड, मीन्स इन एनी online editor. Also you have to perform the basic interview questions, means basic coding question, like in they will give you string or array questions, you have to solve in a particular time. So please ये पूरा read करो. Read round 2 also, and read and check what type of question they was asked, and be prepared from that only. If they are giving more question from string and array, so please prepare array, string more. तो यहाँ पे जितना भी है ना, सब कुछ उसने अपना प्रिपरेशन दिया है कि हमने कैसे प्रिपेयर किया और कैसे उसने क्लियर किया. तो ये इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस है. यू मस्ट हैव टू रीड दिस if you are serious about Goldman Sachs. So biggest next opportunity is coming from Dayton Solution, which is walk-in drive, and we are hiring software engineers. If you can see here, this is walk-in drive for software engineer role, and 23, 24, 25 batch are eligible. BA, BTech, ME, MTech, all discipline, means all branches are eligible, and in BCA, MCA, BSc, MSc, only CS, IT and related fields are eligible. And programming knowledge is must. If you have any programming language knowledge with database, with data structure basic, you are eligible. And if you have less than 60% in 10th, 12th and graduation, you are not eligible. And if you have any backlog, you are not eligible. Here is clearly mentioned, so please don't apply. Your walk-in will be April 5, 9:30 onwards, and venue is also given there. Chennai location is there. So don't miss this opportunity. Obviously यार ये काफ़ी best opportunity for freshers, so please don't miss. So just scan this, and maybe no need to apply in this hiring. You can go there if you are able to go. So please इसके लिए अटेंड करना ज़रूरी है, because this is freshers walk and drive. ज़्यादा लोग वैसे भी जाएंगे नहीं, तो कंपटीशन कम होगा, तो तुम जाओगे तो तुम्हें बेनिफिट मिलेगा. सो प्लीज़ एक बार इसके लिए थोड़ा सा फोकस करो. जा सकते हो तो जाओ. हिट द बेल आइकन बटन. डू सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.